the Bezgar HM101 RC truck. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at an entry-level hobby-grade RC truck, the HM101 by Bezgar. I will go over specs, features, and then take it out for a spin. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the following: an extra body shell, the RC car, the 2.4 GHz transmitter, 2 AA batteries for the transmitter, and 2 batteries for the truck, 2 charging cables, a charger, battery pouch, and the extra parts and tools, along with the user guide. The truck features 4-wheel drive with an all-metal drivetrain, a 550 brush motor. It's 1/10 scale and has 3 differentials, a reinforced frame, 26 mph top speed with a 20-minute runtime per battery, and it takes 3 hours to fully charge. Taking a look at the transmitter, it's a 2.4 GHz frequency. It's lightweight with plastic construction all around, and you have the trim, speed, and the on and off switch on the top. The side has a steering knob and the middle has a throttle trigger, and on the bottom is a compartment for the AA batteries. Removing the clips on the top, you can pop the shell off and access the battery compartment, along with the motor. The body feels solid and lightweight, and the suspension are soft. So now let's see it in action. Here are my thoughts on the RC truck. I was impressed with the overall power and speed that the truck has. It's fun to maneuver and it can easily drift and do donuts. The controls is responsive and it has good range, and the suspensions are forgiving and it can handle the bumps. I like that it comes with the extra shell and batteries along with the tools. And this is definitely an entry-level grade RC truck, which provides good value at its price point. So that is my review of the Bezgar HM101 RC truck. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.